people, so welcome back to my channel. This is me Shreya Kumari and I hope you all are amazing. And I'm back with another job vacancy video. But firstly, if you visit this channel first time, so do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Hello people, so I'm back with another job vacancy video and the job role is Process Associate in Career Comfort in Kolkata, West Bengal, India. Now let's talk about job description. So for this job role, you must have excellent English communication skill and the candidate who is based in Kolkata can only apply for this job role. This job role is of work from office and international inbound calling US and also for night shift. On Saturday and Sunday weekend off, minimum qualification required for this job role is at least 12 pass, diploma, graduate and so on. Training period is of 2 weeks for inbound voice process. In-hand salary which you all get is around 12.5k to 16.5k depending on experience. Also you will get lucrative incentives and monthly bonus. Shift timing is 5:30 p.m. to 7 a.m. any 9-hour shift. Also you will get free one-way drop facility. And candidates should be ready for immediate joining. You can contact HR K Nath at the phone number given is 6291248864. Also you can email on knath@careercomfort.co.in. Seniority level of this job is entry level. Industry is human resources. Employment type is full time. Job function is management and manufacturing. So if you are interested and eligible for this job role, so what you need to do is I will share the link in the description box. You can go through that link and apply for this job role. And if you have any query, you can ask me in comment section. I will try to answer you all. Thank you. So this was all about today's video. I hope you will learn something from this video. If you like this video, so give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video. Also press the bell icon for new notifications. Thank you.